Have you ever felt sadness, restlessness, or fatigue for no clear reason? Do you feel uneasy even when everything around you seems fine? The answer might lie in one of your brain's most important chemicals, serotonin. Serotonin is often called the brain's mood stabilizer. It's the very neurotransmitter that helps regulate your mood, sleep, and emotional balance. But when its levels drop, you start to feel less joy, lower energy, and more mental chaos. So today, we're going to explore how serotonin can bring calmness and stability back into your life and discover 25 natural ways to boost this powerful, happy hormone. Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Said M. Quadri, and I'm a U.S. board-certified psychiatrist. For the past 20 years, I've been working in the field of mental health, and today, I'll be sharing some vital insights about serotonin with you. What serotonin is and how it works, which body functions it affects, and 25 scientifically proven natural methods to help you boost serotonin levels naturally. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter, commonly known as the brain's mood stabilizer. It regulates communication between brain cells and plays a central role in managing your emotional state. When serotonin levels are balanced, you feel more relaxed, focused, and emotionally stable. But when levels are off balance, you might experience anxiety, depression, irritability, and mood swings. It doesn't just affect your mind, it also impacts your sleep, digestion, sexual health, and even social behavior. Let's break down each of its functions, supported by science. 1. Mood regulation. Serotonin helps manage your emotional state. According to Mayo Clinic and NIH, balanced serotonin levels promote mental stability. Studies confirm that low serotonin is linked to depression and irritability. 2. Sleep. Serotonin helps in the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for your sleep-wake cycle. The National Sleep Foundation reports that disrupted serotonin cycles may lead to insomnia. 3. Appetite and digestion. Did you know 90% of serotonin is found in your gut? According to NIDDK, it regulates both appetite and bowel movements. This is why serotonin is often called the gut-brain hormone. 4. Cognitive function. Serotonin plays a role in memory, focus, and learning. The American Psychological Association says proper levels enhance cognitive performance and focus. 5. Sexual function. According to NIH and Mayo Clinic, serotonin regulates sexual arousal and libido. Low serotonin levels can cause sexual dysfunction. 6. Social behavior. APA research shows serotonin influences pro-social behavior, boosting self-confidence and improving social connections. 7. Blood clotting. According to the American Heart Association, serotonin is stored in platelets and helps trigger clotting. Imbalanced levels can be linked to bleeding disorders. 8. Bone health. As per NIH and Mayo Clinic, serotonin affects bone metabolism and density. Studies show that an imbalance can increase the risk of osteoporosis. Understanding these multiple roles of serotonin makes it clear we need to naturally maintain healthy levels of this critical chemical. From mood and sleep to digestion and even bone strength, serotonin impacts all these areas directly. Now let's move forward and talk about the 25 natural ways you can boost serotonin to enhance your mental and physical well-being so you can feel happier and more at peace. We have divided these into 5 groups. Group 1, nutrition and diet. Just like good food is essential for the proper functioning of our body, the right diet is also crucial for balancing the chemicals in the brain. The right nutrients can naturally boost serotonin levels, such as, first, eat tryptophan-rich foods. Tryptophan is an amino acid that is essential for serotonin production. It is found in chicken, eggs, cheese, nuts, and seeds. Second, consume omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help activate serotonin receptors. Salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are the best sources of these. Third, include complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains and fruits promote serotonin synthesis. They increase insulin, which helps tryptophan reach the brain. Fourth, magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium supports serotonin production. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are rich in magnesium. Fifth, eat fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut boost serotonin production in the gut. These contain probiotics, which help improve gut health and serotonin levels. Now that you've adjusted your diet to boost serotonin, let's move forward and talk about the importance of physical activities. Just as the right diet helps improve serotonin levels, regular physical activities are also crucial for your mood and overall health. Group 2. Physical activities. Physical activities not only strengthen your body but also your mind. These activities help release serotonin, such as, first, exercise regularly. Physical activity releases serotonin and endorphins. Walking, jogging, and yoga improve mood. Second, get adequate sleep. Good sleep regulates serotonin levels. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily is essential for serotonin. Third, spend time in sunlight. Sunlight boosts serotonin synthesis. Spending 15 to 20 minutes in sunlight during the morning naturally increases serotonin levels. Fourth, try deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises help stabilize serotonin levels. Spend a few minutes daily practicing deep breathing. Fifth, take cold showers. Cold showers refresh the mind and release serotonin. Just as physical activities help boost your serotonin levels, mental and emotional activities also have a significant impact on them. Now we will discuss how you can naturally increase serotonin levels by keeping your mind calm and positive. Let's move on to some effective techniques for mental and emotional health. Group 3. Mental and emotional activities. Your thinking patterns and emotions also affect your serotonin levels. These activities help keep your mind calm and happy, such as, first, meditate. Meditation enhances serotonin release. Practice meditation for 10 minutes daily and feel the sense of peace. Second, practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness by focusing on the present moment increases serotonin levels. It also helps reduce stress. Third, gratitude journaling. Writing a gratitude journal daily triggers serotonin release. It fills you with positivity. Fourth, engage in creative activities. Activities like painting, writing, and music boost serotonin. Creative expression helps in releasing serotonin. Fifth, visualization techniques. Visualizing positive scenarios increases serotonin release. It also uplifts your mood. Just as you've learned how mental and emotional activities can improve your serotonin levels, your lifestyle habits can also positively or negatively affect them. Now, we'll see how some simple lifestyle changes can enhance your overall well-being and help maintain balanced serotonin levels. Let's talk about lifestyle habits. Group 4. Lifestyle habits. Your lifestyle habits also directly affect your serotonin levels. A few small changes can make a big difference in your life, such as, first, reduce processed sugars. Sugar gives a temporary serotonin spike but causes long-term damage. Reduce processed sugar. Second, manage stress. Stress management brings peace to your mind. Deep breathing and yoga help reduce stress. Third, practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude releases serotonin. Writing a gratitude journal daily improves your mood. Fourth, stay organized. Get rid of clutter and unnecessary items. Keeping your space clean will keep your mind clear and focused. Fifth, avoid alcohol and drugs. Alcohol and drugs disrupt serotonin production. By avoiding them, you can naturally maintain serotonin levels. After understanding lifestyle habits, let's explore another important factor that impacts your serotonin levels, your social network and environment. Just like personal choices and habits affect your brain, your social circle and surroundings also play a crucial role in boosting your serotonin levels. Now let's discuss the social and environmental factors that directly influence your overall well-being and serotonin balance. Group 5. Social and environmental factors. Your social network and environment also have a big impact on your serotonin levels. Positive connections keep you happy and energetic, such as, first, socialize with positive people. Spending time with positive people and family releases serotonin, which makes you feel happy and relaxed. Such connections give you more energy and positive vibes. Second, volunteer or help others. Helping others increases your serotonin levels, which gives you a sense of inner happiness and peace. Volunteering gives you a good feeling and a sense of purpose in life. Third, spend time in nature. Spending time close to nature reduces stress and increases serotonin levels. Being in nature makes you feel fresh and relaxed. Fourth, pursue learning. Learning new things increases serotonin levels, keeping you motivated and focused. Learning keeps your brain busy and excited. Fifth, laugh more. Laughing releases serotonin and endorphins, giving you a feeling of happiness and energy. Laughing is a simple and natural way to relieve stress. You can also boost your serotonin levels by incorporating these simple and natural methods into your life. Start today and see how your mood and energy improve. These were the 25 natural ways through which you can naturally boost your serotonin levels. Remember, serotonin is a mood stabilizer that can enhance your overall mental health. Implement these small but effective changes in your life and see how it transforms. If you found this information useful, please like this video and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which strategies you are excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you continue to receive more informative videos like this. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes. Take care and always stay happy. Thank you.